Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Chibi style Miles Morales Spider-Man from the new PS5 game. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep updated on new videos. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the head. Start by drawing a circle, but leave it open at the bottom right side, like this. Now we're going to draw his chin with two lines coming down slightly to a point. The point should be slightly off-center to the right side. Next, let's draw the eyes. From the top left of the head here, draw a small curve down, then back up and back down to the right like this. Then from the top of this line, draw a curved line down and curve it back into the right to close off the eye shape. Now follow the same curves and draw the inside of the eye like this. Next, draw the right eye in the same way, but make this eye a little bit more narrow. Also remember, you can always pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. Now let's draw the web design on the face. I'm going to draw the lines black for now and color them in red later when I color him in. You can choose to switch to a red marker now or keep them black. It's totally up to you. Start by drawing an upside down V shape slightly above the inner corners of the eyes. Then from the inner corners, draw short lines down and inwards. Then connect them at the bottom with a straight line. You should now have this pentagon shape between the eyes. From the top point, draw a line up and then curve it to the left to the top of the head. Next, draw another curve starting from the top middle of the right eye up. Do the same thing from the left eye. Next, let's draw lines down from the bottom points of the pentagon shape like this. Then, for the inner corner of the right eye, draw a line down to the right. For the next line, start from the bottom of the left eye and bring the line down into the left. Draw two more lines coming off the side of the left eye here. Now let's draw the webbing pattern between these lines. Between the eyes, draw two lines up to a point like this. Now I'm going to continue this pattern all the way around the head. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the arms now. From the right cheek, draw a line out to the right. Then leave some space and draw the bottom of the arm, but angle it in closer as you come to the end. Now let's draw the hand. From the top of the line, draw a diagonal line up and out, curve it back around and down for the index finger. For the next finger, draw a small curved line out here. Then, draw an open, rounded, rectangular shape down like this. Now draw the next finger with a short line up, a diagonal line down, then square off the bottom. Next, draw the pinky finger with a small rectangular shape outwards here. Let's draw the thumb now. Leave a small gap under the wrist, then start with a curved line down to the left, then draw a rounded rectangular shape on an angle like this. Then close off the hand with a curve. Let's add the details before moving on. On the arm, draw 2 curved lines for the top of the glove. Then on each finger, draw curved lines like this. Let's draw the other arm now. From the left side of the head, draw a line outwards about this long. Then under, draw a diagonal line for the bottom side of the arm. We're going to make this arm bend downwards, so from the top line, draw a line down and out like this. From the bottom line, do the same thing with a shorter line. Next, from the outside line, curve it in, up, and then back in for the finger. Draw 3 more fingers with the same shape, each one getting smaller as you go down. Now let's draw the thumb. From the middle of the wrist, curve it down to the right, down, and then in. Let's add the details the same as the other side. Draw 2 lines on the arm, and then curved lines on the fingers. Next, let's move on to the torso. From the bottom of the left arm, draw a diagonal line down and in. Now move over to the right side by drawing a line down, in, and then slightly curve it out at the bottom. Now connect them at the bottom with a curved line. Let's move on to the logo and details on the chest now. Starting from the left shoulder, draw a curved line down, coming to the middle of his waist here. Don't draw the line too low, because we need to make sure we leave some room for the belt. Do the same thing on the right side, meeting the other line at a point at the bottom. Next, on the left side under the head, draw a small line down. Then draw a short line back up to the head. Then follow the same curve down to the bottom. Do the same thing on the right side. Next, we're going to draw the spider logo in the center. Start with 2 small pincers going up with a line between them. Then draw 2 legs going out and then up on both sides. Draw 2 more legs going out and then down on either side. Finish it off with a curve at the bottom. Let's draw the webbing design now. Again, I'll be changing the color of these web lines to red later, so you can switch to a red marker if you'd like. Start with a straight line down from the top and bottom of the spider like this. Then draw diagonal lines on either side of the spider. Draw another small set here, and one more short line on the right shoulder. Then draw diagonal lines coming inwards at a point for the webbing, like so. Now let's draw the belt. On either side of the body, draw square-like shapes here. Then draw 2 vertical lines on the right side and one on the inside of the left. Between them, draw a curved line across for the top of the belt. Let's move on to the legs now. From the bottom left of the belt, draw a line out to the side and then curve it back in like this. Now draw a diagonal line here for the inside of the leg. Next, draw a rounded V shape at the bottom for the foot. Let's draw the other leg now. From the other side, curve the line down and out, then curve it down around for the knee and back in. Now draw a line across here for the inside of the leg and continue it all the way across to the left leg. Now draw another rounded V shape for the foot. Next, we're going to draw some curved lines across the knees for the top of the boots like this. And that's it for this Miles Morales Spider-Man. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.